Hey there. So in preparation for your design your own locker, what's in my locker assignment, I thought I'd show you how to add a Bitmoji app to your phone, and then you could use it in your designs. And we would use these over and over if you have them. You don't have to do this. Check with your parents first, make sure it's okay. But I've just had a ton of fun with them, as you will probably see. So what you're going to do is go to your app store, and they have it in both Android and iPhone. Go to Bitmoji, and the app looks like, am I looking at this little green guy right here? Okay, can you see him? You sign up with your email. You can also sign up if you have a Snapchat, but email is probably better. And then once you get it on your phone, you can create your Bitmoji. You can change, I'm opening it here for a second. So you can change your outfit, you can save it. So here it is. If you can see, I can change all different settings. I can change my clothing. I can add glasses and accessories and all kinds of different things. So right now I'm in my fuzzy bunny slippers, and because I'm working from home. So, but I could easily change that and click save, and then all of your Bitmojis come up in the outfit that you had saved last. So the fun thing is that you can go to Bitmoji Chrome, and you have to be in Google Chrome, and you can add the Chrome extension, okay? And then you add it to Chrome, click Add Extension, and then it will ask me to log in. So okay, so here I am. I'm right here. Now, do you see this little icon up here? So now I can add him to any of my designs. So when I'm working here, by the way, if you just want without the words, there's so many with words, you can put in pose, and I can drag and drop myself right there in my fuzzy bunny slippers in front of my locker. Now, this is called a PNG, which means it has a transparent background. If you go to put it into a document and you find that it comes out with the white square around it, you're going to have to possibly save it to your desktop and then copy it from there. Sometimes it works that way. Sometimes you can't drag right in, but you can in this case. So again, one more time, you're going to click the little extension up here. I'm going to type in pose, and I can pick any of them that I want. Where'd I go? There. Okay. And then you can size yourself with this. You can, whatever you want to do. So anyway, I love this. You can use this on so many different applications. You can do it in emails. You can just add a fun little thing to a message or to an assignment. So if you can use this, we're going to be using them a lot If not, that's okay. There's free avatars you can use online as well. This is going to make it fun and easy and just a great way for you to kind of let me know how you're feeling on certain days. I might do Bitmoji check-in and everybody drags their Bitmoji, show me what their day is like for the day. Okay, so this is me today, getting all this stuff ready for school. So just a little fun thing that you can add to and would be a great way for you to kind of customize. Now, if you want to use a picture of yourself, you're welcome to do that. There's a tutorial on remove.bg. So if you want to pull up a picture of yourself, you could do the same thing. Um, you could do the same thing by opening up a picture and then putting that in remove.bg and removing the background. So you don't have to use a Bitmoji for this, but for the upcoming assignments, it'll make it fun and interesting and easy. So just a little tip. Hope that makes your day and you have a good time with it.